Welcome to our updated guide on how to view system notifications on Facebook using your Android device. If you want to stay informed about important updates and activities on Facebook, here are the steps you can follow to access your system notifications. 1. Open Facebook on your Android device by tapping on the Facebook app icon. 2. Once inside the app, look for the 3 horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on these lines to open the menu. 3. Scroll down through the menu options and locate Settings and Privacy. Tap on this option to continue. 4. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Settings to access your account settings. 5. Scroll down the Settings menu until you find the Notifications option. Tap on Notifications to view and manage your system notifications. By following these steps, opening the app, accessing the menu, navigating to Settings on Privacy, entering settings, and selecting notifications, you can easily view your system notifications on Facebook. Monitoring your notifications allows you to stay updated on friend requests, comments, likes, and other important activities related to your Facebook account. Remember to customize your notification preferences according to your preferences to ensure you receive timely updates. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in effectively viewing and managing your system notifications on Facebook.